What's up, guys? I'm Aaron with Twins Garage. It is Thursday night, so tomorrow's Friday. I ended up not leaving for the week like I originally was supposed to, but I've still been really busy with trying to get my basement finished and getting things moved down there and whatnot. So I haven't been able to do any car stuff. Plus, it's been cold as hell. So that's why you can see my breath. I just came out in the garage. Haven't even had the heater on. It's just too loud to film and keep that heater on. So hopefully next winter I'll get this fully insulated and get a gas heater mounted out here, like a natural gas heater. Anyways, quick little update on the F350. They did total it out due to extensive cab damage and frame damage. They offered him $10,000 something, or $8,000, like $400 to keep the truck. $8,400, and he gets to keep the truck. So that's what he went with. So we're gonna try to find a shell to drop the new engine and transmission into. So you'll probably likely see some of that footage coming in some future videos. Hopefully that Alex will film and upload. As for this weekend, we have Saturday morning we're gonna be getting the new harness, and Sunday I might be picking up a stock hood. We'll see. I'm not a big carbon fiber fan, so hopefully I can get rid of that hood, but it just depends if the price is right or not. I'd really like to do an 04, 05, or 06, 07 front end swap, but don't have the money for that right now, so we'll just have to see. Anyways, I picked up some glazing and spot putty today to finish some of the pinholes on the driver's side, and then hopefully Alex is getting the new welder next month so we can finish the passenger side and what's left of the driver's side. So I'm hoping to get this engine pulled this weekend and get like the black seat moved downstairs and a couple of the other parts that won't be going back on this car moved downstairs to the inventory room so I can get them cleaned up, posted online. I'd really like to get this engine out because I already have a buyer, and I would like to be able to get the engine cradle out so I can start getting the parts car engine cradle off and put that in here. I got most of the bolts out for this U subframe thing here. I broke actually most of them, so I'll have to drill those out. So I'd like to get my new one on finally, which is still sitting back there. And then that's about it for this weekend. I probably won't be able to get a ton done because I'll be spending most of the day getting that harness out of the other car that I'm buying it from, and then I gotta still pull the auto harness out so I can put the new manual in. As for some updates with the Evo, I believe Josh is coming this weekend to get the valve cover gasket put back on and the valve cover put on, and other than that he's just saving money. He's gotta come out. He's going all out on the headers. He's buying like top of the line, the most expensive ones he could find, because he's not going cheap. So this weekend I'd really like to get the tires down in the basement, unless I can get somebody to buy them. The bar, somebody's supposed to come look at this bar this weekend. If not, I'd really like to get rid of it soon. I'm trying to clean up the place, so that way my motorcycle can go in the corner and make a little bit more room over there. I'm gonna go through the tires that are up there, decide which ones I want to keep and which ones I'm gonna get rid of. You know, those two in the ends are 18s. Those are gonna be for sale. I got a Civic body kit front bumper, which I'm gonna sell, and then I'll probably move that downstairs. I'll move my Subaru submergers downstairs. I'll probably move the trunk and all these seats downstairs. Just kind of create some more room in here that'll allow for some more parts. No, some more room. So with all that being said, I'm gonna head to bed. I'll probably pick up tomorrow and finish. I'm not sure what I'll do tomorrow. I gotta go get my Jeep from Alex. I've been letting him borrow it since I smashed his four-wheel drive vehicle. I need it for the weekend because the only other vehicle I have right now is my work van, but I can drive it for personal use. I just don't really like to. Alex took over the Kia and he's got the Jeep, so I'll be picking that up tomorrow, and then I may start pulling the auto harness, and I'll probably just spend most of the time cleaning up and getting ready to go and get the new harness on Saturday morning, which As of right now, it's just me going by myself. I'm hopefully going to be able to talk Josh into going with me. Andrew has to work, unfortunately, but I really don't want to go alone. It's about a 2-hour drive. I don't know this person personally, and I got to pull out of his car, so I'm going to be spending a lot of time with him, so it's going to be a little awkward. So we'll see if I can get somebody to come with me, but anyways, I'll see you guys in a few seconds. What's up, guys? Heading home now. Just picked up the new harness back there, so hopefully I can pull that old one tonight and start getting this one put in, and then I gotta start pulling that engine and get that engine cradle out of there, which that's gonna be the fun and hard part. So check back in a little bit. What's up, guys? Hopefully you can hear me. It's super cold in here, so I don't want to shut the heater off. Anyways, I'm home now. Got the new harness home. I'm not gonna install it tonight. I'll probably start ripping this one out, but probably won't get finished. I'm gonna also try to start ripping this engine out, but probably won't get finished. I'm not in a huge hurry to finish the car anymore. I was trying to get it done for Grid Life, but I decided I'm not gonna go this year. I just got too much going on, so hopefully I can get this ripped out, but I can get the engine and all that finished here soon. But had somebody come check the bar out, so I had to clean it off, and their truck was too small to fit it in, so they're supposed to come back tomorrow with a bigger truck and get it, but we'll see. I really hope that sells so I can get that out of there, and I'll probably start hanging up insulation in the corner over there since I'll have more room, move my bike up and whatnot. So I really would like to get an actual heater in here soon, get it insulated, but we'll see. That'll probably be next winter. Anyways, hopefully you can hear me. If not, I'll have to just cut this out and make a new video for it. Anyways, I'm gonna start working on the Subaru, get a little bit done tonight. See you. Okay, guys, it's pretty late tonight. Probably gonna head inside. Started pulling the harness. I got all that out, and then got quite a bit of it out. So second time around, it's not as hard, but it's because all the clips weren't put in, you know, that I had to break off before. I still got to remove this and this whole harness and shove it in there, and pretty much that's about it. And then I can start putting that harness in. Hopefully I can get that done this weekend. Maybe, I think Andrews might come over tomorrow, so we might try to get this engine pulled tomorrow. And then probably gonna start working on that engine cradle. I don't know how to do that, haven't even looked into it, so I might head inside, clean up a little bit, and start doing some research on how to remove that engine cradle. Still got a lot of body work to do before spring and paint, so I got a lot of work done, or left to do. I don't have a lot done yet, so we'll see. Anyways, I'll probably pick up tomorrow once Andrew gets here and talk to you guys then. Okay, guys, harness is out. Sent over there. That's the new one, and here is the new harness. That was the Auto WRX one. This is the manual one that's here. So now I can start putting it in. This week is supposed to be very cold, so I may not get a whole lot done this week on the car. Probably not gonna do any more tonight. I'm tired and I gotta work in the morning, so we're gonna go in and relax now. So I guess I'm gonna probably end this video, and if I do any more tomorrow or throughout the week, I'll put that on the next video. So anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Please comment, like, subscribe, share the video. I want to try to get some more people watching. Yeah, and hope you enjoy this. I'll see you guys next time.